Hello. So myself Aditya. I am from team CodeRaftar, and we took the problem Beluga, and we did a malware analysis of user uploaded file. My team had four members: Aditya Payal, Shubham, Vishal Meena, and Kamalu. So this is a presentation for a basic review of our project. So the project started with a problem statement, which we understood as the problems which we face during malwares and installing the softwares in our device directly. So we developed a project for the same thing. We had analysis of .exe, .docs, and .pdf files, and we will declare that the file is malicious or clean in our future understanding. The proposed solution was having a static analysis so that we can detect malwares and provide a clear verdict and detailed factor report. For the key factors, we included Yara rules, PE header analysis, and somewhere we included entropy calculation in the backend. The file uploaded was through web page, and there was a static analysis done at the backend, and we gave the user a clear and intuitive result. There was no sandboxing required, and it completely relies on strings, patterns. Maybe a file is malicious but wasn't detected due to no rules followed of Yara, but still we tried our best to include everything which could be done. So this is the workflow for the entire thing. The tech stack included in the front end, we had thought to include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but we had included React.js for faster integration with fast API and a better feedback. So the user case has been mentioned here for a better explanation. In the next step, I will try to demonstrate in the video, and this was my presentation. So let's move on to the VS Code page of this thing. So for the VS Code, we have created a complete folder which is named as malware analysis by the team of Team Code, and then we will continue. So we have our backend, and the backend is completely built on the fast API, which is mentioned. The extra things are removed because the file is running, and simply we can start the same in the command prompt or the terminal by simply changing the directory to backend. And then later on, we can type the command which mentions uv main. And simply this will run the command, and the backend will host on this port 8000, and the startup will be completed. This includes all the uploaded files which we were saving from the uploaded directory. And the whole code is for the integration of backend and front end. This is the login configuration for error configurations and etc. And similarly, by this command, we were saving the files by Yara scan. We performed action and gave a Yara result for the thing. By analyze PE, we analyzed .exe transports, and with analyze PDF, we did the same for .pdf extensions, .docx extensions, and this is the scan function which will allow us to post the results once we get it from the backend to the front end. And similarly, once we are taking the files from front end to backend, we will give a command that we have loaded the file and it is received at this type and it is of this type of category. For example, PDF is a application of the PDF type. And similarly, we try to include all the try and exception case when we will be uploading, when the user uploads invalid file type. And similarly, this is a try case for if else for all the three extensions and other are unsupported. And we gave a error code of 4 or 5 so that we can show the same on the front end once the user loads a file which is not supported. So this is the uploaded folder. It includes all the files which are uploaded, and for example, I uploaded this image and this didn't work. And similarly, I downloaded few of the malicious softwares, which I'm not opening, but I can show you the result later on. And similarly, we have a front end ready in React.js. The components are navigation bar and foot bar, which we have transported into .js and .css. And similarly, we have uploaded some of the images which were created in another folder, and we have pages which were distributed into four categories: about, history, main page, and scanner. The scanner page is the main page where we will be doing our work. Main page includes the home page. History page includes the list of all the malicious files or all the scans which we have done. And about page includes information about the project creator, meaning our team. And the app.js and app.css are the basic files which were required so that the integration will be done. And the rest creations were usually done by the React.js automatically. So let me host the site and show you to you. So we will host it with the help of frontend npm start, and once it is done, it will redirect us to the web page automatically. So here is our website. Uh, Please excuse us for the theme because it was created in very much disguise and we didn't have much knowledge about it. We added a navigation bar as you can see here, and we added a footer page so that we can conclude easily. Here is the tagline of our project. By scanning now, we can move to the malware scanner page, and by discover features, we will be moving down page for showing which are the features are there. We have scanned more than 1000 files, and for thread protected, we had 400. For protected users is 200. It is shown ambiguously. It's not 200. It considers you as a new user if you refresh it and come again here. So it works like that. And similarly for the malware scanner, this is the page, static malware analysis tool, and it will analyze .exe, .doc, and .pdf for now. But let me upload every file for you into it. So when we click on upload, so it will show us to upload .exe and .pdf, .bfcs only. But if we choose all files, then we can create all other files. So for example, I uploaded this image. So after we upload the PDF file, it showed us that it is clean, no fixes, and we can speed up the file name. We can also see the result in the backend, which was created by us in the backend operation. So if we move on here, then we can see here that the error result was clean. The analysis of PDF was done, and the PDF analysis is done, and it showed that there is no JavaScript, and analysis completed, and then the post result is done, and it is shutting down. And later on, after we upload a new file, it will start again, and then show us that how is the file generated. So let's suppose we upload another file, which is a .exe extension, and we click on start scan. It will take some time because .exe extensions are usually larger to convert, and we can check out the result here also if the file is uploaded, and it is analyzing the PDE file which was uploaded in the upload section, as you can see on the left corner. And the file is going on, and it showed that PDE analysis is done. These all things were checked, and there is no malicious thing, and the same was returned with the status of 200 OK. And we can see here that it shows that there is no threat, and it doesn't contain JavaScript. Similarly, we can see the scan history. It stores history of whatever thing you are doing without refreshing, and it showed that we have scanned clean things. Now, if we scan a malicious thing, for example, the Chrome shortcut which I stated was malicious. It is just because of the high entropy. The file is actually not malicious, but due to entropy case, it is showing that the file is malicious. And we can see here in the red that it is malicious file. If you click on the print report, we can generate a PDF file of the same, which will give us a list of all the things which were errors. And similarly, we have our about page, which states that how our team worked. And I know there are many other modifications which need to be done, but due to lack of time and lack of proper experience, we couldn't do much. I hope the project did fulfill its needs. Thank you.